I am delighted that my book of poetry in English, published in London, has now been translated into Farsi in Tehran. And all this thanks to my young friend, Dr. Ali Mamhoori, and his wife, Dr. Afrin Rostami. And the editing of the book, which was translated by Dr. Afrin Rostami, was done by Dr. Farhad Rezai. Ali has been after me for this, and I finally relented and said, all right, let's go ahead with it. I've received copies, and I think it's a beautiful book. I'm very pleased. I also sent a copy to the Iranian Ambassador here in India, and I received an excellent response from His Excellency, saying that he was very pleased with the book and with the poetry therein and the translation into Persian. I'm most grateful to everybody who has helped me in this venture. Thank you very much.